So today we're going to be going over how to utilize the content feature inside of Mailchimp. Now, once you click on the content button, it's going to give a drop down button for you for Creative Assistant. Now, this is where you can make some cool graphics that you can use for your social media and for your email templates. Now, what you can do is you can import your brand if you wanted to, with something that had permission to use all of the content from this website. But the easiest way is just to go one by one. So you can upload logo. So you can upload my logo here. It's going to take you to where you can upload it. So I'm going to add logo, and I'm going to search for my logo. And open. Sometimes it may take a few minutes, or not minutes, a few seconds. There we go. Now you'll see I'm going to put multiple in here because I want it to be able to work on other types of backgrounds. So I'm going to save changes. So it also gives you a white one. Now if I wanted to add another one, I also have another version of it. I'm going to do the red and white one. Oh, wait. Here we go. Red and white. So you can upload as many logos as you want in here. It's going to be pulling the colors for you. So even if you have like your heritage one, or if you have your own personal logo, I usually use the black and red one for my primary, but this will be a secondary one just in case I need it to be on something that's applied with dark backgrounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. Like I said, you can add multiple logos in here as you would like. Then I'm going to click Continue. These are going to be the primary colors for my for my graphics. If you'd like to add any additional colors, you can click Add Color, and you can add, if you wanted to add like, oops, I clicked the wrong one. But if I wanted it to be, there we go, like the more red, right? So it's like the heritage red. You can add any colors that you want. And I'm going to click Next. Then you can also start to choose your fonts. This is going to help so that you have, your fonts are very important to your brand. So you can go through and take a look at all the different fonts. For this example, I'm going to be using this extra bold, and that's going to be all of my headings. And then for my subheadings and my bodies, it's going to be just a medium. So you'll see over here a font preview. This is kind of what it's going to look like. You can also upload your own font if you use a specific type of font for your branding. Now go ahead and click Next. Now it says your brand kit is complete. So create your first design. Then it's going to ask for what is your objective for this campaign design. So a lot of you is going to advertise a product or a service. You're trying to promote your real estate business. So I'm going to do advertise, but you can do educate and inform to teach your audience about maybe real estate things, but primarily we're going to use it for a service. Then we're going to click Next. The text in here, so it says our AI uses text to uses the text to input here to start generating some custom designs. So my heading, I'm just going to put real estate. My subheading, I'm going to put buy and sell real estate, and you can always change this up whenever you need. And then for the button, I'm going to put learn more. The reason for this button is going to be a kind of like a call to action. Now, as we've learned in other things, sign up now kind of scares people away, so the learn more is going to be more reason for somebody to log into your things. Now I'm going to click Next. It's going to choose your imagery. So now if you have any specific images that you would like to use, you can do that. But for right now, I'm going to use suggest smart photos. And I'm going to say, yes, I want photos. So based off of kind of what I filled out earlier, it's going to give me 4 photos for that. This may take a moment as well. There it is. Okay, so of course you will want to do something that's related to your market. Of course, these are just going to be examples. So that's what these photos are going to be for. So now I'm going to generate designs. Now it's going to start giving you different option ideas. Now you'll see here, this is going to be kind of the style that it created for me. Now you can say style's not matching your brand. You can tweak your brand's personality. You can also click more designs, see which ones you like, right? So in here, it's just going to start giving you different ideas for things. Now let's say that there is one that you wanted to use. You would just click edit design, or you can select style. So if you wanted to edit the actual design, it also gives you a button here to animate. What it means by animate is you see how like for some of these, the words are coming in, like it's animating. They're coming in at different times. Now let's say I wanted to select this style. So in here, they're going to have all different types of channels and sizes you can use for it. So they have the full width. You can do landscape, square. They also have things for Facebook. So if you wanted to use this for a Facebook post or your cover image, or you wanted to use it for your Facebook story, anything like that, you can also do Instagram. So if I wanted it to be like an Instagram square, it's going to create one for me. And then for Facebook, you can do a Facebook post. So it's just taking a moment for those to upload. Now, of course, with anything, if you wanted to get any of these other ones, they are locked. So they're all locked for only if you have like the updated version of it. But yes, you'll be able to grab any of those. Then it gives you the option to download it. You can also choose if you want it to be a PNG, a GIF, if you are if it is going to be an animated one, or if you wanted it to be a video. So that's how you'll create those designs. Now, let's go ahead and go back. You also have your design library. So if you want to start creating more things, kind of like how we did over here, you can create new designs, and your designs library is just where they're going to sit. And then for your brand kit, this is where if you wanted to reset your brand data, change out any logos or your fonts or your colors, you can change that in here as well. If you wanted to sync your Instagram or your Facebook in here, you can do that as well, so that you can sync them, so that you can also create any of these designs to go directly onto your Facebook or your Instagram accounts. Now my Facebook is synced in here right now. I'm in the KWYP River Cities one, so it's going to sync all of our posts in here. And then if you wanted to add your logo, this is where you'd go in, add your logo in here, so that anytime you make any type of design, it's going to automatically put that logo where it needs to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.